Hi there, guess what? Pumpkin pie spice lattes are here. It must be time for the kids to almost go to school. And I just thought I'd share with you my recipe for pumpkin pie spice lattes. So here's the deal, here's how I make it. First things first, a few ingredients that I use in products. The multi-purpose pot, absolutely love this. Why? It's got measuring graduations in there. I put 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Got it? Stir that up on the stove, let it cool, and then I basically put it into a cruet because this will stay good in your fridge for about a week. And I find a cup is about just the right amount if you have a few friends popping over or if you just need a break and a nice latte to just chill out. So anyway, my recipe, what I've done is I have basically made 2 espresso shots in here. I've heated, and this is gonna save you a ton of calories. I've basically heated skim milk in the microwave, and this is the must-have for making really nice foamy lattes to die for. This is called a milk frother. And what I call it is, because there's no plugs, very convenient, but I'm basically going to just pour hot skim milk into my milk frother. And I'm gonna pump this, I don't know, 10 or 15 times. And I'm just going to set it aside and let it set up. I find if you open it up right now, the bubbles are just really loose. So the recipe, 2 shots of espresso. Now I'm going to add, because I like lots of flavor of my pumpkin pie spice latte, I like putting a whole tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice simple syrup. And again, like I said, this can just go back in the fridge. Can label it, and if we open this up, you'll probably see it's getting foam in there, nice and hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour my milk on top. You can see the nice foam. Awesome. And we just came out this fall with a brand new product. It's called the ceramic grinder head. Why do I love this? Well, I go through lots of Epicure, and I always have spice jars that I'm throwing into the recycle bin, but I thought I'd keep one back this time. And I basically put granulated sugar, just your plain old white sugar. You could use cane sugar if you prefer. I added about 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice in here. Now, what's cool about this grinder is it will actually fit on any of our spice jars that Epicure sells. So imagine you can make this with apple pie spice, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon. I mean, your options are absolutely endless, right? So you just put that on. You'll notice on the top there is a turning knob, and by just turning this, you can make the grind finer or more coarse. So adjust it as you please. It's got a lid to close it off when you're done. But how about decorating up your latte with sugar and pumpkin pie spice? Just give a few grinds on the top. And voila, there is your pumpkin pie spice latte. Fraction of the calories, does not cost the amount of money you're paying at the coffee shop, and you can have this anytime you want it. So happy fall, everyone. Hope you're enjoying your getting back to school season. And remember, when you're stressed and you need something a little bit special, remember, you can make your own pumpkin pie spice lattes right in your own home. Bye for now, and happy fall.